Hey guys, this is Margarita from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm showing you a wonderful home, very large and amazing ocean views. It also has great conditions from the seller available because the seller offers owner financing with only 50% down. So why don't you come on in? So guys, what did you think of this? This beautiful home has everything you need. Everything you need to be able to live in comfort, surrounded by nature, and only a 7-minute drive from the beaches and everything that Sosua and Cabarete has to offer. So click on the link here below for more information. Give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.